Hi guys, how is keeping? Welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today I'm going to give you a quick look at a B3150 compact tractor. We recently traded in here in the sales yard in Clarkes of Cavan, okay? So this machine here is a 32 horsepower 4-cylinder Kubota diesel engine. It's also fitted with an LA534 Kubota loader and also comes with your bucket, so handy to have there if you are in and around the yard. It is fully hydrostatic, so I will imply that hydrostatic is brilliant to have, especially if you do have a loader, quick and easy in and out, especially if you are doing that load of work in and around the yard or shed, etc. Okay, it is fitted on tough tires. Come to the back, then you have your compact hitches and your linkages. It does also have your rear PTO, and it does also have a mid PTO, so it could give you the option to have a mid-mounted deck if needed be. And you can see there your two double-acting manual spools. As I said, tough tires, which is handy if you were to put that, I suppose, your mid-mounted deck. So that could be very useful for if you want to do commercial grass cutting, whether that be football pitches, estates, hotels, golf courses, anything like that, okay? So we'll hop up onto it here and I'll give you an idea of the controls. So your loader controls is just done with that lever here on my right hand side. All your linkages and your arms, etc. is all done to the right hand panel. As I said, it is fully hydrostatic, so just forward and your reverse with your three ranges of high, medium and your low. So to engage your PTO is just done with this yellow lever here on my left hand side, and depending on which PTO you want to engage, whether that be your mid PTO, your rear PTO, or if you want to engage two at the one time. So it does give you that option. You can run two different implements at the one time. Your revs is all done to this lever here. Indicators, lights, etc. is all done to the panel here. And it is a 2017 model, and there's roughly 928 hours on it. So for a compact tractor on a 2017 model, it's little to no work done. So definitely a good bit of saving in a tractor like this, maybe compared to a new one. If you weren't in the market for a new one, definitely a good bit of saving on a second one like this. Look, exactly. Look at, it's hydrostatic. It's a 32 horsepower. It has a loader. It has a mid and rear PTO. What more could you ask for on a compact tractor, really, to be honest with you? Ideal. So we do have this in the yard at the moment. You can call in, you can bring it for a test spin, see what you think. And a machine like this, price-wise, you're sitting at around 21.5, including the VAT, guys, all right? So call into the yard, bring it for a test spin, see what you think. Trade-ins are also considered. If you did have one, we might possibly consider it. We'll never say no to a trade-in. Delivery is also arranged nationwide, and finance is also available if that was something you wanted to go for. So if you are interested in something like this, do call in. But for now, we'll leave it at this. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the bell button. As I say, every time I end a video, we do videos pretty much every day. If you have the notification bell on, you'll know exactly when we do so. So that's our Kubota compact for now, and I'll leave it with you.